India's first Telugu musical app. Listen to Raga Original Telugu stories. Subscribe now and lock down the offer price for life.
Proud enduku ante Ramalakshmi Cine Creations inta manchi movie ante in na drishtilo it is the perfect movie meeku andistunanu as a producer. That is the proudest thing that I can that I have done. Inta manchi movie honor enduku ante to work with a superstar who was so committed to do a movie with a social thought in mind. Ante commercial movie is different, and movies that have a social message or something is different. May 2004 nunchi Ramalakshmi Cine Creations has been in the movie industry. We have come, Sridhar garu nenu, we left a family business, came here from 12 years we've been struggling with ideas and to put them into, to visualize them for you. And I think after 12 years, this is, I can say, the first time we have successfully done it. It is beyond a social message, because when you talk about patriotism, it is a universal subject. When you talk about patriotism and you show it in such an entertaining way, there's nobody who's not going to like it. It is accepted by everybody, and that is what has happened today. There are people who live abroad today, friends of friends, who are so inspired by watching this movie that they've messaged us and told us, this is a movie, hats off, congratulations Sridhar, you've done it. Messages like that, they say a lot. It doesn't matter where you live, in India, outside India, there are subjects that are close to your heart, and patriotism is one of them. And Sainikudu, the song, if you see in the movie, it just gives you goosebumps. It makes you stand up, and when you're watching the movie after the song, you just want to get up, clap, applause, and then sit down and watch the rest of the movie. That is the kind of patriotism, the feel you get. And it is not the soldier only who is patriotic, who has that in his heart to serve his country. His whole family is standing behind him. Everybody in the family is sacrificing. It's not just him. His parents, his kids, his wife, the spouse, everyone is sacrificing in their own way. So I'll have to say that it's not a movie that only say the armed forces or defense services people there can appreciate it. Every family will understand the pain, sacrifice that a soldier can go through. The movie lo Allu Arjun has done a character which is not superhuman. He is an ordinary man. He's an ordinary man who is faced with emotional conflicts in his daily life and how he overcomes it. And it is not just about overcoming his problems. Somebody was asking, about the last 30 minutes, whatever it is. See, like we said, there are layers in a movie. When a hero can think about a movie, when a star, not even a hero, when a star can think about the movie and not just about his role, that is when cinema opens up. That is when you are looking at international audiences, not Indian audience or fans, or you're not looking at a segment. You're looking at something phenomenal, and that has happened in this movie because he has okayed a project where he's not coming in as a hero, as a star in the climax and fighting it out and bashing up all the gundas, and that is how you do it in every movie. So what is so special about this movie? It is the climax, and the climax, the whole movie just builds up. It's like a crescendo. Slowly it builds up, and you're totally shocked. You're unprepared for the climax. That is the best part of the movie, and I'm really proud that Vakamta Vamsi, we all know, is a fantastic writer. He has given scripts for the biggest blockbusters, but for him as a director, this is his debut movie. He has chosen a script that is so different, so unique, makes him stand out as a director. You're not prepared for this movie. If you are the traditional audience, you will not even understand the movie. It took me 2 times to understand the depth of this movie. The first time I watched it, it was visual. I said, wow, this is the perfect movie. The second time I went and watched the movie, I understood every dialogue in the movie. There is not one word, there is not one dialogue which is out of place. It is perfect. Then perfect movie and enta garvanga cheptunanante, I mean, I have not done this for any of my movies before. I am very critical because Adnadi. So when I expect a family, I know how difficult it is to manage a husband, in-laws, kids, do your work and then go enjoy a movie along with them. It is not easy. Kani, I gave it a score of 9 out of 10. I mean, that is what I gave this movie. And I am not a fan of anyone. I am not a follower of somebody. And I'm telling this not as a producer. I'm just telling this as a woman who has watched this movie, as a person, an Indian who has watched this movie. And I am so proud to be part of this movie. I don't know why Allu Arjun chose us as a production house for this movie. Make more movies like this. And when we're talking about commercial movies, I still like an element of something more than just entertainment to come into a movie. And this is such a meaningful movie. I don't know, I don't have words for it. The supporting cast in the movie. I mean, Bunny carried the movie on his shoulders, that's for sure. But what makes a movie so special is when you have a very strong technical and supporting cast. The supporting lead actors did a wonderful job. They shared their screen presence as was necessary, nothing more. There was a smoothness, a transition in relationships. That was the reason why we could do this layering in the movie. It is not an easy task for a new director who is only a writer. As a writer, you can do wonderful things. You can create, it's your imagination. But to turn it into reality, to show layer on layer on layer in a fixed amount of time is not easy. And he has done a wonderful job. I'm really happy to have worked with both of them, and so proud of this movie. I know it is a success commercially, but I want everyone to appreciate and understand the values as the youth and kids have. They are so happy with the movie. I expected the older generation to take their children and tell them, okay, this is what patriotism is all about. But no, they're the ones who are like, okay, this is a fantastic movie. Like, mom, let's go for the movie, or dad, let's go. This. So.
Hi, this is Nitya Menon.
Hi, this is Isha Rebba.
Hi guys, name me Nikhilni.
Hi, this is Bhumika. For all the latest movie reviews,
Interviews,
Latest updates,
subscribe.
IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.